Hi, Grandpa. Oh, Niall wants to say hello. Oh, bless you. Hi, Niall. Hi, Niall. Look at those beautiful blue eyes. Hi, Yolanda. Good evening, everyone. Buckshot is right here, walking away. Oh, Ernie. Would you like to say hello, Ernie? Ernie. Oh, there we go. Yes, okay. I was going to say, once I turn the camera on you, then you decide you are going to be quiet. Sherman, I just scratched your back, Sherman. And you liked it. Hi, everyone. I still pet you, Sherman. Hi, Niall. Are you giving love bites? All right, so I've seen some guesses. I want to hear more guesses about who you think we can touch now. And actually, Sherman isn't the one I'm thinking of, but look at, I'm petting him right now too. Hey, Sherman. I've wanted to pet you for a really long time, buddy. Yes, I have. See, that's not so bad. He's still not sure about me touching his head, but he is letting me scratch his back. See, that's nice, Sherman. Hi, Nina. Yep, so this is Debbie. And Erin's here, and Gretchen came as well, even though she's going to be here tomorrow. She decided she wanted to still hang out with us. Hi, Sue. So right now I'm petting Sherman, although he's not who I was thinking of when I titled the live. But this is also really good. Right, Sherman. Hi, Jeff. I know we've been starting to be able to touch you too. I see lots of guesses. Hi, Blackbeard. I'm going to make you wait in suspense for a little bit. Hi, Melanie. Hi, Connie. Hey, Sherman. Oh, goodness. There was a kerfuffle. Here's Billy. Billy, come back. Say hi. Oh, Artemis is out and about. Look at Devin. Devin, your floof is glorious again. Your floof is glorious again. Sherman, why are you picking on people? Hi, Johnny Anthony. Here's Johnny Anthony. If I touch a Vive, get it on video. Haha. So actually, Jill, I have touched a Vive. Hannah was witness. And more than just a touch, I got a couple scratches in, and she arched her back a little bit, so. Sherman, you stinker. All right, we'll look at Billy. Oh, hey, it's Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Moonshine. Nope, it's not moonshine. I'll tell you that. Keep the guesses coming. I don't actually